Do you ever feel like you're scrolling through Instagram, seeing everyone else living their best lives, traveling to exotic places, and you're stuck at home wondering, how can I afford to do that? How can I make my dreams a reality? You're working hard, bringing in a paycheck, but at the end of the month, it feels like there's nothing left. The bills pile up and your savings seem non-existent. But let me tell you, I made a ton of mistakes, spent way too much on things I didn't need, and it took me a while to realize where I was going wrong. It wasn't until I found this one simple financial hack that things really started to change. This hack transformed my financial life. In this video, I'm going to break down this exact system, step by step, so you can follow along easily and finally start building real wealth and achieving your financial goals. It's time to take control of your financial future. Let's be real, managing money in your 20s and 30s can feel like a juggling act, right? You're probably hit with student loans, rent payments, and the ever-growing pressure to keep up with the latest trends. It's so easy to fall into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck, telling yourself, I'll start saving next month, or investing is for when I make more money. The sooner you get started, the more time your money has to grow exponentially through the power of compound interest. So how do you break free from this cycle and actually start making your money work for you? This is where the 3-bucket system comes in. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about creating a sustainable system that lets you enjoy life today while building a secure future. Here's how it works. You divide your income into 3 buckets: essentials, goals, and fun. Essentials, which is 50%, covers your non-negotiables like rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation, and any debt payments you might have. Goals, which is 30%, is for your future self, saving for a down payment, investing, starting a business, or early retirement. Fun, which is 20%, is for guilt-free spending on things you love. Chapter 3. Real Results. Priya's journey from paycheck to paycheck to financial freedom. Let me introduce you to Priya, a 26-year-old who was exactly where you might be right now. She was ambitious, hardworking, and had big dreams for her future. However, she was stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle, struggling to save and constantly worried about her finances. Every month felt like a battle to make ends meet. She knew she needed to make a change but wasn't sure where to start. The financial jargon and endless advice online only added to her confusion. That's when she discovered the 3-bucket system. This simple yet effective method promised to transform her financial life. She started by tracking her spending for a month to see where her money was actually going. This was an eye-opener for her. Within just 6 months of implementing the 3-bucket system, Priya had built a solid emergency fund, giving her peace of mind and financial security. She started investing regularly and even managed to save up for a weekend getaway with her friends, all without feeling deprived. Priya's journey is a testament to the power of smart financial planning. Chapter 4. Level up your finances. Trending financial tips for 2024. Now that you've got the 3-bucket system down, let's take it up a notch with some powerful financial tools for 2024. These tools are designed to help you maximize your savings, grow your investments, and secure your financial future. First up, we've got SIPs, or systematic investment plans. SIPs allow you to invest a fixed amount of money in mutual funds at regular intervals, making it easier to build wealth over time without the stress of timing the market. If you're intimidated by the stock market, this is the perfect way to start. SIPs offer a disciplined approach to investing, helping you to stay committed to your financial goals even when the market is volatile. With SIPs, you invest a fixed amount of money in mutual funds at regular intervals. This not only helps in averaging out the cost of investment, but also instills a habit of regular saving and investing. Next, we have gold ETFs and sovereign gold bonds. These investment options allow you to invest in gold without the hassle of storing physical gold, providing a safe and convenient way to diversify your portfolio. These are great options for diversifying your portfolio and hedging against inflation. Gold has historically been a reliable store of value, especially during economic downturns. And finally, let's talk about high-yield digital savings accounts. These accounts offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, making your money work harder for you. By switching to a high-yield digital savings account, you can earn more interest on your savings, helping you to reach your financial goals faster. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your savings without any extra effort. Chapter 5. Take charge. Your financial future starts today. Thinking about finances can feel overwhelming, especially when you're busy building your career and enjoying your 20s and 30s. But here's the truth. The small steps you take today can have a massive impact on your future. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. And the best part is, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. The 3-bucket system is all about simplicity and consistency. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and keep moving forward. Outro, start building your dream life today. So there you have it, the 3-bucket system, your secret weapon to unlock financial freedom. What's the first financial goal you're going to tackle? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe to Brain and Budget for more practical tips and tricks to master your money and design your dream life.